children. Good morning. Today we are going to start our fourth lesson, subtraction. We have already learnt in first standard what is meant by subtraction. But again I will teach you what is meant by subtraction, how to solve problems of subtraction. Students, subtraction means to take away. Subtraction means to remove. Subtraction means taking away a number from another number. And students, this sign is the subtraction sign, and this sign is called as minus. Now let us start our first point, subtracting by counting backward. Do you know, students, what is meant by backward? Backward means going to back. In this point, our first example is 247 minus 6. Now students, how to subtract 6 from 247? By counting backward. Listen. Firstly, we have to draw 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why 6 circles? Because we need to subtract 6 from 247. So, we draw 6 circles. Now, count backward from 247, 6 times counting backward. Students, why 6 times? Because we have to subtract 6. Then 247. Then count backward from 247. Before 247, which number will we become? 246. 246. Before 246, which number will become? 245. 245. Before 245, which number will become? 244. Before 244, 243. Before 243, 242. And before 242, which number will become? 241. 241. So, last number is our answer. 247 minus 6 is equal to 241. Now, next method which we will be learning here is subtract using the number line. Students, here I will be teaching you how to subtract using the number line. In this first example, 346 minus 5. Firstly, draw a number line. Now students, on this number line, where is find out where is 346? Where is 346? Here, 346. So, circle 346. And students, we need to subtract 5 from 346. So, we jump from 346 5 times. Means going to the left side. Now, draw curve one number to the another number. And students, you know which is your left side? This is your left side. So, start curve. 346. 345. Then, next number 344. Before 344, 343. Before 343, 342 and 341. Now we come to the 341. So our answer is 341. 346 minus 5 is equal to 341. Next method, subtraction of 2-digit numbers. Now students, listen. 96 minus 34. In this number, we have to subtract 34 from 96. On ones place 6, and 4 is there, and on tens place 9 and 3 is there. So, and we know that addition and subtraction is always start from ones place. Ones place means this is ones, O means ones place, and T means tens place. So, firstly subtract from ones place. So, 4 from 4 ones from 6 ones. Subtract 4 from 6. Then how to subtract 4 from 6? Students, you can use in any method, means to draw lines method, या counting forward, counting fingers, on counting fingers. So students, you have to take firstly 6 fingers and remove 4 fingers because we have to subtract 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how many fingers remaining? 1, 2 fingers. So 6 minus 4. How many? 2. So write here 2 under ones column. Now tens column. 3 tens from 9 tens. Subtract 3 from 9. So we have to take firstly 9 fingers and remove 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers remaining? 6 fingers. Very good. So write 6 under tens column. So our answer is 62. Now students, for your better understanding, we will take another example. 87 minus 43. Firstly we have to subtract ones place and then tens place. So start from ones place. Subtract 3 ones from 7 ones. Firstly take 7 fingers and remove 3 fingers because we have to subtract 3 from 7. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. So write here 4 under ones column. Then 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. Firstly take 8 fingers and then remove 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. So write here 4. Our answer is 44. Now students, solve another example like in this way. Next point, subtraction of 3-digit numbers. 247 minus 136, and we know that addition and subtraction is always start from ones place. So let us start from ones place. Okay. Firstly, subtract 6 from 7. Means subtract 6 ones from 7 ones. So take 7 fingers and then remove 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many fingers remaining? 1 finger. So write here 1 under ones column. Then tens column. 4 tens minus 3 tens. Take 4 fingers and remove 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers remaining? 1 finger. So write here 1 under tens column. Then H means hundreds. So start hundreds place. 1 subtract 100 from 200s. So 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1. So our answer is 111. Another example, 486 minus 244. Firstly subtract from ones place. So 6 minus 4, take 6 fingers and remove 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers remaining? 1, 2. So write here 2 under ones column. Then 8 tens minus 4 tens. The 8 minus 4. Firstly, take 8 fingers and then remove 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers remaining? 4 fingers. So write 4 under tens column. Then 4 hundreds minus 2 hundreds. 4 minus 2, take 4 fingers and remove 2 fingers. 1, 2. So how many fingers remaining? 2 fingers. So write 2 under hundreds column. Now students, finally we got answer 242. Like this way you solve remaining problems. Our next point, subtraction of two-digit numbers with borrowing. Now students, we saw subtraction of two-digit numbers without borrowing. Now we will see subtraction of two-digit numbers with borrowing. First example, 74 minus 28. And we know that subtraction is always start from ones place. So firstly subtract from ones place. Subtract 8 ones from 4 ones. Students, can we subtract 8 from 4? No, we can't subtract 8 from 4. Why we can't subtract? Because 8 is greater than 4. So we can't subtract 8 from 4. Then what we will do? Students, so we take one borrow from tens place. Means from 7 tens we take 1 10. From 7 tens we take 1 10. And we know that 1 10 means 10 ones. 10 ones. And students, this borrowing 1 10 means 10 ones and these 4 ones. 10 ones plus 4 ones. How many? 14 ones. So write here 14 and cut this 4. And we take one borrow from 7 tens. Then how many remaining here? 7 minus 1 equals 6. So write here 6. Now students, we can easily subtract 8 from 14. Now 14 minus 8. How to subtract 14 minus 8? Students, count forward from 8 up to 14. From 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? Count all fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 14 minus 8, 6. So write here 6 under ones column. Now subtract tens column. 6 tens minus 2 tens. Then 6 minus 2. So take 6 fingers. 6 fingers and remove this 2. 1, 2. How many fingers remaining? 4 fingers. So 6 tens minus 2 tens equal 4. So our answer is 46. Our next point which we will be learning here is subtraction of 3-digit numbers with borrowing. Now students, in this first example, 731 minus 478. And we know that subtraction start from ones place. So let us start from ones place. 8, subtract 8 ones from 1 1. Students, can we subtract 8 from 1? No, we can't subtract 8 from 1 because 1 is smaller than 8. So we can't subtract 8 from 1. Then what will we do? We take one borrow from tens place. Take borrow from tens place. Now students, we take 1 10. And we know that 1 10 means 10 ones. These 10 ones, borrowing 10 ones and this 1 means 11 ones. So students, this 11 right here. Now we can easily subtract 8 from 11. Now students, count forward from 8 up to 11. Then count forward from 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 ones minus 8 ones is equal to 3 ones. So write 3 under ones column. Now students, we know we take one borrow from tens place. So here 3 minus 1, 2. 2 remaining. Then can we subtract 7 from 2? No, we can't subtract 7 from 2. Then we will take one borrow from hundreds place. Then here we take one borrow from hundreds place, means 100. We take 100 and we know that 100 means 10 tens. 10 tens. This 100 means 10 tens and this 2 tens. 2 tens. So 10 plus 2, 12 tens. 12 tens. So write here 12. So students, we can easily subtract 7 from 12. Then 12 minus 7. Count forward from 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then count all fingers. 5 fingers. So 12 minus 7, 5. So write 5 under tens column. Now students, we take one borrow from hundreds place. So that hundreds place 6 remaining. Then 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. Take 6 fingers and remove these 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers remaining? 2 fingers. So 6 minus 4, 2. So finally we got answer 253. For your perfection, do more and more practice. Our next point is word problems. For example, there are 744 children in our school. 422 of them are boys. How many girls are there? So student, what is the meaning of this problem? In a school, how many total children are there? 754. In a school, 754 children are there. And out of them, out of 754, how many boys are there? 422 boys are there. So students, we have to find out number of girls. So we need to do subtraction. So let us start. Now students, total number of children. We have to subtract number of boys from total children. So total number of children. Number of children. How many total number of children? 754. Then number of boys. Number of boys. How many boys are there? 422. So write below 754. Then students, this is minus sign because we have to do subtraction. Now subtraction start with from ones place. So 4 ones minus 2 ones. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. 2. So write here 2. Then 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. Take 5 fingers and remove 2 fingers. 1, 2. How many fingers remaining? 3 fingers. So write here 3. Then 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4, 3. Very good. So our answer is 332. Means how many girls are there? there are 332 girls in the school. Now our next point, word problems on addition and subtraction. For example, in a garden there are 334 mango trees and 469 guava trees. If 199 trees are destroyed in a storm, how many trees are left? Students, what is the meaning of this problem? In a garden, how many mango trees and how many guava trees are there? There are 334 mango trees and 469 guava trees. So students, firstly we have to find out total number of trees. So we need to do addition. So start. Number of mango trees. Number of mango trees. How many mango trees are there? 334. 334. And how many guava trees are there? 469. So number of guava trees. 469. So write here plus sign because we need to do addition. So addition always start from ones place. So 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9, 13. So 13. 3 write under ones column and carry 1 to the tens column. Then 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6, 10. So write here 0 and carry 1 to the hundreds column. Now students, 1 plus 3, 4. And this 4 plus 4, 8. So finally we got total number of trees. How many total number of trees? 803. Total number of trees. Now, how many trees are destroyed? 199 trees are destroyed. So students, we need to subtract. We need to do subtraction. Means subtract destroyed trees from total number of trees. So write here total number of trees. And then we have to do subtraction. Total number of trees. How many total number of trees? 803. And how many destroyed trees are there? 199. Number of destroyed trees. Trees. 199. So minus sign. Then 3 minus 9. We can't subtract 9 from 3 because 9 is greater than 3. So we take one borrow from tens place. Then on ones place 13. Then 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9. Count forward from 9 up to 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers? 4 fingers. So write here 4. Now students, here is no number. Means here is 0. So we take firstly one borrow from hundreds place. So here 10 and then we take one borrow from tens place. Then 10 minus 1 means 9. Then this 9 minus 9. 9 minus 9, 0. We take one borrow from hundreds place. So here 7. Then 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1, 6. So write here 6. And finally we got answer 604. Means how many trees are left? 604 trees are left. Now students, solve remaining problems in your notebook and do more and more practice of subtraction.